The purpose of this video is to show the assembly of a Revtronik Testtronik cart model trailer tester. You'll notice it comes in a box. It has the part number and the serial number on the box. For the distributors, try to rotate your inventory. That way you always have the newest style machine for your customers. All the pieces out on the table that are in the box, you'll see there's the legs, the wheels, the battery box, and the hooks for hanging the cords, plus the bolt package, and the assembly manual and the operation manual, and batteries and remote and cover. To start the assembly, you'll notice the rivet nuts on the bottom of the upper handle. 2 bolts, 1/4 inch. You'll see the bolt holes are in the leg. You'll also see rivet nuts in the leg, and that'll be later for the battery box. Those should face up. Line up the bolts so you can line up the holes so you can put the bolts in and get them started. Wiggle the leg up and down to line up to start the bolts without stripping. Install the axle bushing. Then get the other leg and install the second axle bushing. Then you will pick up your axle. The axle collars are set at 2 7/16 of an inch from the end of the axle on both collars. Put the axle into the collars and then install the last leg using the 2 1/4 inch bolts. Again, wiggle the leg up and down so the bolts get started. Then install the battery box. Just get the bolts started. There will be the 4 bolts. And then the assembly is ready to tighten all the bolts. I use a drill, a ratchet, a wrench is more than good. Once everything is tight, it's time to get the wheels and the outside collars for installation. Put the wheels on, facing the right way. Put the collars in place. You will need an Allen wrench to tighten the retainers. And then get a hold of your wheel collars, and you'll need a small Allen wrench to tighten them on. Put them into place. You don't have to over tighten, they will hold the wheel. The next step will be to put the cart in the upright position. Time to assemble the hooks to the upper part of the case. Again, 2 screws, tighten them up, and we're almost finished. After you get the hooks in place, put your hoses into place, plug in your jumper cord, and the machine is almost ready to go. Wrap your cord on the back of the machine. Now it's time to put the batteries into the remote, remove the back cover, install the batteries, return the cover, put the remote in its protective cover and hang it. You'll notice a key ring at the top of the handle of the machine to hang the remote from, and your machine is assembled and ready to use.